Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, this is a comprehensive step-by-step on how you can connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic to an iPhone device. First and foremost, we will be using an app called Merge. Merge is a great app that allows you to merge your iPhone notifications and phone calls with your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. This means you can stay connected and up to date with all your important communications, even when you're away from your phone. You'll need to install the Merge app on your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. There are two ways to do this: from your phone. If your Google account is associated with your watch, you can install the app directly from your phone. Just open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for Merge. Once you've found the app, tap on the install button. From your watch, alternatively, you can install the app directly from your watch. Open the Play Store on your watch and search for Merge. Once you've found the app, tap on the install button. Once you've installed the app, you'll need to set up permissions for notifications and Bluetooth. Follow the steps in the welcome guide that appears when you open the app. Once you've set up permissions, it's time to connect your Galaxy Watch to your iPhone. Open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. Scroll down in the device list and select Add Another. Your Galaxy Watch should now be visible to your iPhone. Tap on the name of your watch to pair the two devices. Once paired, a prompt will appear on your iPhone asking for permission to share notifications. Make sure to approve this request. With everything set up, your iPhone notifications and phone calls will now appear on your Galaxy Watch. You can view your notifications by swiping down from the top of the watch face. To answer a phone call, simply tap on the notification. You can now enjoy your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic with an iPhone. Now you can stay connected and up to date with all your important communications, even when you're away from your phone. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.